Welcome all. This is Computer Application Business Madras University question paper subjects for April 15. First 5 mark. What is file menu? What is the discuss about the MS Word menus. The first menu is the file menu. The file menu contains various menu options. So first is the new menu. It is used to open a new document. Next is the open icon. It open a previously saved document. Close. It close the active document but does not quite the applications. Next is the save menu. It save the document with its current file name and location. Save as. It is used to opening a window which give the opportunity to change the file name and a location. Page setup is used to change set the margin, paper size, orientation and other layout options. So print preview, it shows how the file will look when you print it. Print icon used to print the active file, also give the opportunity to change the print options. Exit means we have to close the Microsoft Word document. Second menu, edit menu. It has the various options. First one is the undo. The actual entry of this item will depend on what you did last. So repeat menu. After an action has been done, it can be reinstated in the document. Cut, copy, paste used to reduce our work. So cut is used to remove the selection from the active document and place it on the clipboard. Copy. The copy is used to it is used to select the line which is copied to the clipboard. Next is the paste menu. It inserts the content of the clipboard at the insertion point or whatever we have to select it. Clear. Delete the selected object or text. Select all. It select all the text and graphics in the active window. Next is the view menu. Normal, page layout, toolbar, ruler, header and footer is used for a view menu. A normal option is used for the default document view for the most word processing task. Page layout, an editing view that display your document as it will look when printed. Toolbar, it display or hide the toolbars. The right pointing arrow indicate a list of toolbars. Ruler, display or hide the horizontal and vertical ruler at the top and the left side of the document. Header and footer, it add or change the text that is displayed at the top or bottom of every page. Full screen, it hide most screen elements so you can see more of your document. Insert menu, it contains various options: page break, auto text, footnote, picture and a text box. Page break is used in this command used to send your cursor to the top of the text page even though the text does not extend the bottom of the previous page. Date and time, it chooses several different format for displaying the date and time. Auto text, insert any several preset text lines or create your own. Footnote, it places a footnote at the bottom of the page or the end of the document. Picture, it insert a picture from the clipart or a file. Text box, it is used to place the captions near tables or drawings. File menu, file menu icon, it insert a saved document into the active document at the cursor. Next is the format menu. It has several icons for menus: font, paragraph, bullets and numbering, border and etc. Font is used to change the font style, size, color and a large number of other features. Paragraph, indent a paragraph using either margin or place some chosen amount of space before or after the paragraph. Bullets and numbering, it is used to bullets the documents. If you wish to change the bullets, it can be done here. Border, it create a border around block of text or around the entire document. Next is the style. If you prefer not to use the formatting toolbar, document style can be changed here. Next is the change case. It is used to change the upper to lower and lower to upper cases. Next is the tool menu. It has several menu icons: spelling and grammar, thesaurus, word count, auto summarize, auto correct. The spelling and grammar is used to choose either submenu and the same window opens. Quotient spelling is in red, grammar in green. Languages, It is used to select the thresholds and get suggestions like similar and analogies. Word count, it need to know how many words are in your document. Auto summarize, exactly what it sounds like. Word summarizes the document, reducing the length of the document. Autocorrect, a word will automatically correct some things if this feature is irritating to you. Options, it modify the word settings here. Modify print, editing, spelling and other options from this menu. So next is the help menu. The help menu is used to help the users. There are several icons for creating a help menu. Microsoft Word help, Microsoft on the web, about Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word help, open Word assistance and get a search box to type in. Word displays possible matches for you to read about. About Microsoft Word, not sure which versions of your Word working with. Check here for versions information and for the procedures ID number. Next question. Discuss the applications of spreadsheet in accounting. Explain the difference between SQL and QBE. QBE means query by example. It is a database query language for relational database. A QBE parser parses the search query and look for the keywords. A more formal query strings in languages such as SQL is then generated, which is finally executed. However, when compared with a formal query, the result in the query by example system will be more more variable. SQL, structured query language. It is set-based declarative query language, not an imperative language such as C or BASIC. However, there are extensions to standard SQL which add procedural programming language functionality such as control of flow constructs. What are the problems of creating database? Data security, performance, data safety, resource utilization, high availability. Data security. In the last 2 years, over 1 lakh systems were hacked into because the database had been left completely exposed on the public internet. Next is the features of EDI. So IT skills shortage. Cloud computing is rewriting the rules of EDI technology, deployment and service consumptions model. More business are looking to migrate applications, connections, data and integrations to the cloud. This includes EDI. However, as cloud computing has grown to astronomical levels, the need for good talent within an IT department has never been higher. E-commerce growth. Without a doubt, e-commerce is by leaps and bounds the fastest growing sector in retail. Online shopping is everywhere. It's become a way of life, and for traditional brick and mortar corporations, the allure of jumping into the e-commerce space is too tempting to pass up, if not to reap untold riches, at least as a life draft. Business process integration. Modern EDI offer extensive capability benefits in and around business process integration. Growth of blockchain technology. It seems like every few years or so, the latest and greatest technology appears, and all of a sudden, everyone say it's going to replace EDI. Years ago, it was XML. A few years back, it was API, application program interfaces. Now enter blockchain. Even Gartner recognized that the mechanism of industry. Next is the discuss the various services offered by the internet. Internet services allows us to access huge amount of information such as text, graphics, sound and software over the internet. Following diagram shows the 4 different categories of internet services. Communication services. There are various communication services available that offer exchange of information with individuals or groups. The following table gives a brief introduction to these services. Email, telnet, newsgroups, IRC, internet relay chat, mailing. Email is used to send electronic message over the internet. Telnet, it is used to log on to remote computer that is attached to the internet. Newsgroups, it offer a forum for people to discuss topics of common interest. IRC, it allow the people from all over the world to communicate in real time. Mailing, it is used to organize group of internet users to share common information through emails. Voice over internet protocol allow the internet user to talk across internet to any PC equipped to receive the call. Instant messaging, it offer real-time chat between individuals and group of peoples. Yahoo messengers are example of the instant messaging. Next is the service descriptions for the information retrieval services. So file transfer protocol, it enable the user to transfer the files. Archive, it update database of public FTP sites and their content. Gopher, it is used to search, retrieve and display the document on remote sites. Veronica, it is the Gopher based resources. It allow access to the information resource stored on Gopher services. Veronica means very easy rodent oriented net-wide index to computer achieved. Web services, it allow exchange of information between applications on the web. The web services are often used concept of utility computing. World Wide Web, also known as the WWW or W3, it offers a way to access documents spreads over the several servers over the internet. The hyperlink allow the user to navigate between the documents. Video conferencing or video teleconferencing is a method of communicating by two-way video and audio transmission with the help of telecommunication technologies. Next question, discuss the advantages and drawback of information system audit. These are all the advantages: access to the capital market, lower capital cost, different to fraud and inefficiency, operational improvements, ownership, amalgamated members of the company, value of business, gathering information about profit or loss, confidentiality, accessing the tax, proof can present the event of loss, etc. These are the disadvantages which should be followed. Extra cost for auditing evidence, harassment of staffs, unsuitable changes of fraud, small concerns, problem in remedial measures, insufficient considerate, no guaranteed.